CNC Router USB port 6094 axis CNC machine. High-speed 2200W CNC router with USB port 6094 axis CNC machine for metal acrylic jade carving. Item specifics. Model number: 6090 condition new CNC or not CNC voltage: 220V/110V rated power: 2.2 kW dimensions: 810 by 640 by 480 m weight, 65 kilograms. Feature 1: U.S.B. Port feature 2: with limited switch. The CNC router is designed for large area engraving work such as industrial or hobby prototype building, building model making, PCB, advertising signs, artwork, crafts, aircraft models, RC model parts, etc. So, you can do engraving work at office or home. In addition, it can be upgraded to be installed a rotational axis. Our main products: 3020, 3040, 6040, 6090 CNC router engraving machine 3-axis, 4-axis, 5-axis, with 230 watts, 500 watts, 800 watts, 1500 watts, 2.2 kW spindle. More precise stepping motor. The engraving process is visible as controlled by computer. Simple operation and installation. 1-year machine part and 6 months electrical parts, stepping motor, spindle-free warranty. Shipping by DHL, FedEx, UPS with tracking number. 1X engraving machine. 1X control box. 1X power cable. 1X control line. 1X USB port cable. 1X tool package, include tools 5 pieces, wrench 2 PCS, clamp 4 PCS. 1X2 lotto checking instrument. 1X water pump. 1X rotation axis. 1X CD of manual and software. Mach 3, if not get, may be lost in customs, please contact us. Thanks for watching, more details check in the description.